Hey everybody, good morning. It's Tuesday. Tuesday. I'm looking at the market. I marked out levels because I could delete these. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. I mean, I will say there is a high time frame S&P where ES took out these highs and NQ hasn't. Bam. I- I'm only gonna mark it on one, but we do have an SMT. But, just having an SMT is not going to make me be bearish on the day. We do have this daily fair value gap. But the reason why I kind of want to be bullish is scale down. Asian session absolutely dumped. Tapped into a 4 hour, had a beautiful reaction, came back up. And we've been rising for the past fucking for the past 12 hours. We've been rising, right? We disrespected this hourly fair value gap. Traded back within it, and we're going higher. So I low key want to be bullish. We do have an SMT or NQ got this high, and ES hasn't. But just having an SMT is not enough for me to short. But we might look pretty good to come down a little bit. Pause, pause. So pre-market, have come up. We've risen. Still in an uptrend. We're still in an uptrend on these time frames. 15 minute fair value gap or 5 minute fair value gap. So I kind of want to be bullish because just having an SMT isn't enough for me to be like, oh my god, let's be bearish. If we had like a 4 hour fair value gap over here, then maybe, if like we get a higher time frame imbalance or if we swept out liquidity or something, then maybe. But just having an SMT is not enough for me to be like, because if I'm looking for shorts, no, I'm not gonna lie, shorts might actually. We do have a lot of low resistance liquidity here. Um, we do, but I really wouldn't want to short until we get like 5 minute, break the structure to the downside and shit like that. Which I would have to wait probably a little bit, a little while for. But we'll see what market wants to do. We'll wait. I like to wait 10, 15 minutes before I even take a trade. Um, so yeah, it's 9:10. I'm gonna come back when markets open. Bias right now, Trump's in presidency, bullish. I don't know. To be honest though, I could see us being pretty bullish. I mean, if we are gonna be bearish, I would want to wait until price action, you know, shows that. 'Cause right now, besides these SMTs, we're bullish as a motherfucker. Asian session dumped here. Why did Asian session dump? I don't even know. I don't really know why Asian dumped. I don't know. I want to see if you know, I don't know. Funky. Anyway, so I'm gonna wait a little bit until markets open. Analysis. I don't know. I'm 50-50. You know, I'm gonna if we're gonna short, I want to see price. Trade like get a close down here, and then maybe something going on, little retracement, and then we could short because there is a lot of low resistance liquidity here. Like these levels are big areas of liquidity, like big buy signals. We did sweep out liquidity here too. Let's just mark this because who knows? Yeah. So, and I can mark out this. I don't want to have my chart though be so fucking messy. That's why I kind of keep fucking ES on the back burner just to look at SMT and shit, and to look at what it's doing in relation. Okay. I'm trying to, and what I mean by that is like, oh, NQ, let's just say NQ disrespect to this bearish fair value gap. Oh, but ES hasn't, like shit like that. But we're respecting it. A change in the state would be a close down here. Liquidity sweep, SMT. Wait a minute, chat. Wait a minute. We get a close. This could be a change in the state, and then we get a retracement. Could be. Could be, could be, could be. Or if you're trying to long this, I don't know where you would exactly put it. You could put it here, and we're at equilibrium, or almost at equilibrium to look for longs again. Or you could put it maybe down here to up here, in which case we are at equilibrium, so let's see. Anyway, I'm gonna come back and I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, started this bitch up. We shorted like a motherfucker. Well, I didn't. I called it out though. Because we had SMT after SMT, liquidity sweep, whatever. We're expecting bearish gaps. We had a change in state here. We tapped into this 1 minute and the change in state. You could have literally entered stops. Since this is only 9 points, I would have put it up here. I want to see what happens now. But you literally caught like 100 and some point move. Like it was fucking beautiful. But I was making myself breakfast and I didn't see that. So whatever. I do want to short, but one thing that I don't like is that yes, we didn't move nearly as down as Nasdaq. Nasdaq came down and swept out. We can't even see it on here, but we swept out all of these. All of this. Yes, we yeah, yes, we. But we're literally just going down and then back up right now, so I'm kind of chilling. I was gonna want shorts, but I don't necessarily like how NQ and ES are doing different shit. We have a big ol' SMT here. Not this means shit. I don't know. We inverse this fair value gap. We might have a little something, something. I mean, we're in equilibrium of this range. Where we're actually, today. We have a 5 minute fair value gap. Three, a two, and fucking one. Inverse the fair value gap. That I don't like how much shit here. This is actually a fucking 2 minute. See what happens. I don't know why I started this. Just to call out that I did, I need to stop doing that. I always call out best plays, like to myself out loud. I'm like, oh, this looks really good. It's short. And then I walk away or something and I don't end up taking it and it ends up fucking being beautiful. I need to stop doing that. But, fuck, maybe we'll go higher. I said I didn't want to short unless we got like a close down like below here, and we did. But we're really, and it's the macro time. So I'm gonna come back when I take something, and I'm gonna. I took a little short position with this 1 minute. Um, because I really do think that we're gonna go lower. I just think that this with this huge fair value gap, I didn't want to go in with full size. I'm just gonna add to my position as we go lower. Like if we inverse this 30 second, I'm gonna add. Um, we did both going lower, but yeah. Like if we inverse this 30 second, I'm gonna re-enter and I'm gonna enter down there and have my stops like up. Oh, that's still huge. You know what? When this goes break even or in profit a little bit, I'm gonna exit it to cover. I'm gonna wait enough to I can cover spread. Let me just actually set it at 50. Oh shit! Wait a minute. Maybe I'm gonna get. I don't want to say saved, but whatever. Like how are we moving? We also tapped into a 2 minute, but we have that 3 minute. It's curious. We might want to tap into like your stop should be up here, up there. That's 53 points. Like that's insane. So that's the reason why I'm not going in with full size. In the bottom. I kind of wanna exit this trade and wait for this like 30-second inverse or something. Not gonna lie. But I'm chilling and I'm waiting. I closed it only because I want to wait because we're in a 50-point fair value gap. I want to wait, you know? Like we're maybe gonna tap the 3 minute and then okay, like we just did. And now maybe go. We're also having a brand new 3 minute open. So let's see what happens. But I'm not gonna uh enter anything again unless we ambush this 30. It's 20 points already. What the fuck? That's actually kind of insane. My little boo thing. Hmm. I'm chilling. Chilling and waiting. I thought I would show you guys a like a live trade, but it hasn't really done anything yet. So I'm probably just gonna come back when I'm in the trade or in a trade and just tell you guys or explain to you guys why I took it. Alright guys, I'm going over this just trade I just took. Um I'm gonna be honest, I really just kinda entered off of for how you got I mean we swept out liquidity here. We had a 30-minute fair value gap and we got pretty fucking close to my take profit, 4 points. Um, if this happens, great. If it doesn't, I'll be a little upset, but I still, I think we're pretty good to at least come down and hit this fair value gap. We did hit it already on ES, but that was before, like right after. So I'm just gonna pay attention to price and go from there. But I mean, we had a 1 minute fair value gap, and I literally just entered off of the 1 minute fair value gap, and I had my stop at this high. And I don't know how, but I didn't get stopped out on this high, and it kind of saved me. Well, I mean, I could see how because it really wasn't close, but or I mean, it was close, but I didn't actually hit it. And then we tanked, and I was up like 1,000 something, but my take profit was there. I hope this actually happens. Let me clean up my chart a little bit so it's a little cleaner. Um, but yeah, I don't necessarily like this wick or this candle. This is showing a lot of buying pressure. I'm gonna get stopped out, you mother. Let me put it a little bit higher because there's a little gap there. Oh my God, chat! I was literally up 1,000 something, and it was 4 points away from TP, and it didn't actually fucking hit it. Like, are you fucking me? This is 3 minute here. But still, I was looking for this one because this is also equilibrium. Oh, actually, we hit equilibrium. Yeah. All right. Well, I thought I was gonna record us showing a max win, but I'm gonna have to come back at a later time, I guess. I'll see you guys when I take another trade because it's only 10:55, and I've only taken one trade, or my first one, but I'm not counting that. I really thought we were good until this fair value gap, and we honestly still might hit it. Anyway, I'm gonna come back when I take something else. Okay, so I'm fucking pissed, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I haven't placed a trade all day really because it's 2 o'clock and price action has been pretty shit. I mean, actually, here in the PM, we didn't look too bad. Was that it? Ooh, ooh, what the fuck? Chat. That was the best move. Or shorts. But what time was this? Yeah, I don't really trade at that point. But I just clicked fucking the button by accident and entered a trade, and I didn't necessarily realize right away. And I look back, and I'm down. So I'm fucking pissed. Is my webcam on? My webcam is not even on. But anyway, fuck. I guess we're ending today with. I'm gonna call it break even. Fuck out of here. I'm calling it break even. Um, but besides the initial short here, which happened, the problem with this short is that it happened right at open, and then um, I think the initial push down took out Asians. Where are we? Here. We took out London's low, London and Asians. So, well, actually, wait a minute. The initial move was here. Oh, technically, we didn't. Okay. But I mean, anyway, the best trade here was right at New York Open. Changing the state, S&T, fair value gap. The shorts up here were nice. And then we just fucking moved fucking sideways. And then we had this 5 minute fair value gap. It's pretty messy on the 1 minute. And there's a 1 minute fair value gap here. And stopped out. I probably would have taken it. What time was it? Oh no, it was after 12. But that didn't work. We wanted to, you know, take out the people longing and then fill this imbalance and then go. But we also had not a, well, I mean, we have little 2 minutes, but we had a pretty nice 3 minute gap here that we inversed. Um, and then price went up like 100 fucking points. God damn. Um, so yeah. Damn, I want to place a trade so I can make back what I lost, but I'm not. Ending today on a loss. Tomorrow, we were actually bearish. Actually, I don't even. You could have been short or long, and you would have made money if you caught the short or if you caught the long. If you tried shorting or longing within here, this is like it's about. Oh, it's a 70 point range though. Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. You would make bank. Anyway, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm calling it break even because dude, chat. I'm telling you, you just barely tap. Look, I'm gonna just barely tap it. I'm sure you didn't even fucking hear the click. But see? Click it. If you just tap it, it does it. I need to I don't know. I need to be careful. I need to be mindful. But I don't even know which one I hit. But I hit one of them and we took a fucking hundred and some dollar loss. I think I was up 50 or 60 or whatever. Um So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, but the thing is for tomorrow, I might have to do a trade recap after I already take my trade. Because I start classes tomorrow and I have a 10 o'clock, so I'll be trading during class. So I'm gonna do probably just a recap when I get home. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.